destruction. It don't take no Einstein to figure out that. Well, you've been peeping and hiding, slipping and sliding, living in vain, selling that crap, and that's a natural fact. Well, I'm gonna get you sucker, dirty mother.
Don't you say that.
I'm gonna teach you the crime, just don't pay. I'm gonna get you sucker, dirty mother.
Don't you say that.
I'm gonna stay on your case till I put you away. I know you think that life's a bowl of eggs, and you can absolutely do no wrong. A big brother, a word from the wise shall be sufficient. So I suggest you pay close attention to the words to this song. Woo!
Gold fever. Gold fever. Change the things, change the things.
Living in the fast lane, beating up the street kids, got plenty money to burn. Played the game of double cross till you became the boss. Now it's my turn. Mrs. O don't agree, minister to society, smile, yeah, you on top. Cause the smile is just a fire turned upside down. Get ready for the big drop. Come,
I'm gonna get the sucker, dirty mother.
Don't you say that.
I'm gonna stay on your case till I put you away. Know you think that life's a bowl of cherries, and you can absolutely do no wrong. A big brother, word from the wise should be sufficient. So I suggest you pay close attention to the words to this song. Woo! I'm gonna get you sucker, dirty mother.
I ain't gonna tell you again.
I'm gonna teach you the crime, just don't think. I'm gonna get you sucker, dirty mother.